Hey, Jake. I was just thinking, do you have a favorite season?
Hey, Emma, that's a tough one. I think I like fall the most. The weather is cool but not too cold, and I love the colors of the leaves. What about you?
I love summer. The warm weather, long days, and all the fun outdoor activities make it my favorite season.
Summer is great. What do you like to do during summer in the US?
Oh, so many things. I love going to the beach, having barbecues, and going to amusement parks. There are also so many music festivals in the summer.
That's true, but summer can be too hot sometimes. That's why I prefer fall. Plus, we have Halloween and Thanksgiving, which are my favorite holidays.
That's a good point. Fall in the US is beautiful with all the pumpkin patches, apple picking, and football games. I also love wearing cozy sweaters.
Exactly. And the food, pumpkin spice everything. But what about winter? Do you like it?
Winter is nice, but it depends on where you live. In the northern US, there's a lot of snow, which can be fun for skiing, ice skating, and building snowmen. But I don't like shoveling snow.
Me neither. But I do love the holidays, Christmas and New Year's Eve. It's the best time to be with family and drink hot chocolate by the fireplace.
That's true. And some cities in the US have beautiful Christmas markets and holiday lights.
Yeah, but winter can feel really long. That's why I also like spring. Everything blooms and the weather gets warmer.
I love spring, too. It's the best time for picnics, hiking, and going to flower festivals.
Exactly. Spring in the US also has Easter celebrations, and baseball season starts.
That's right. So, if you had to rank all 4 seasons, how would you order them?
Fall first, then spring, then summer, and last winter. What about you?
Summer first, then spring, then fall, and winter last.
At least we both agree that spring is great.
Yes, every season has something special. That's what makes the US such a fun place to live.
Totally. Well, I hope your favorite season comes soon.
Me too. Let's plan something fun when spring arrives.
Sounds great. See you later, Emma.
See you, Jake.